cleaning. Not exactly the highlight of your day, right? Enter the Aiper Scuba 800. Your new friend for keeping things crystal clear without lifting a finger. Well, maybe just a small lift. This efficient cleaner is designed for above ground pools or flat floor setups. It's completely cordless, just press a button and it starts cruising your pool floor with its hydrodynamic design. Think small, but mighty. The Scuba 800 runs for a solid 90 minutes, using suction power and 2 bottom brushes to pick up dirt and debris, giving your pool floor a thorough clean. When it's ready to call it a day, it parks itself at the edge, like, hey, I'm done here. Just pull it out with the included hook. Let the water drain quickly and clean the filter tray with the hose. Easy peasy. And speaking of filter, it's no slouch. It holds up to 2 liters and picks up fine debris down to 180 microns. That's tiny, so your pool stays sparkling. Now, while it's built for above ground pools in mind, it's doing a pretty great job here too. If your pool is larger than 860 square feet, longer than 30 feet, or has slopes, consider exploring Aiper's other robotic pool cleaners. We offer various options to suit different pool types, sizes, and cleaning needs. The Scuba 800 is a great way to get started with robotic pool cleaning. Grab one and reclaim your pool days. You've earned it. Need help finding the right Aiper model for your pool? Connect with an expert on BestBuy.com or download the Best Buy app.